back to Belinda's DIYs. If this is your first time here, welcome. In this channel, you're going to find a lot of modern farmhouse decor and also seasonal. So if this is something that you like, I'm going to ask that if you can please consider to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon, right there in the corner, so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. Wow, it has been a hot minute that I have not done any DIYs, but I have been super duper busy painting the interior of my home. And I'm doing it all by myself, so it has been a lot of work, let me tell you. I painted my living room, my kitchen nook, my sitting room, my foyer, and my hall. So it has been a lot of work, but I absolutely love how it turned out. I've been wanting gray walls already for a while. And so since the holidays are coming up, I wanted to do this before the holidays were here. I like just one room. I have to do my office and then I'll be done. I am going to do a short video showing you how it turned out. I don't have the before, I just have the after. But anyhow, I still want to show you how it turned out. So enough with that. Today's video is going to be 3 very super duper easy fall DIYs. And these are great because they're, first of all, easy to make, very inexpensive, and they look really nice for maybe your countertops in your kitchen or a bathroom, just anywhere where you want to just add a little bit of fall. So if you want to see how I put these together, then please keep watching. Before that I get started, I am going to show you the items that I'll be using, and I did get everything from Dollar Tree. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. I'll be using 2 of these pumpkin gift boxes, the smaller one and a larger one. And this other gift box. I'll also be using 2 of these sunflower bouquets and 2 of the wheat bouquets. And 1 of these picks with a pumpkin. 1 ceramic pumpkin, some Excelsior, and some raffia. Okay, so I'm going to start with this first gift pumpkin box, and this is the larger one. Underneath the lid, it has the word harvest, and I think this looks really nice. And then of course the top, it says autumn. And the box inside has the pumpkin with pumpkins all around. I think this is such a nice box and you can do so many things with this. So I'll be using this box to make a fall decor. All I'm gonna do is just stack these 2 pumpkins together. I'm just gonna hot glue the lid to the bottom box, just like this. Before that I do that, I'm just gonna mark off with my marker just where I need to put some hot glue. Next, I'm gonna take some raffia and I'm gonna wrap it around the stem of the pumpkin. And then to hold the raffia in place, I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue on the back side. And then I'm gonna trim off the excess raffia. Next, I'm gonna hot glue a little bit of Excelsior inside the box. And lastly, I'm gonna add the ceramic pumpkin inside. And this is how the first fall decor turned out. For this next DIY, I'll be using the smaller gift pumpkin box, and as you can see, it also has a very pretty fall print, and this one says fall harvest, and then it has it in the front side and also has it underneath the lid. For this one, all I'm gonna do is just hot glue the lid across inside the box this way. You can really use any side of the lid, but I chose the green. That way it kind of all went together with the inside that has the fall leaves. I thought that it looked prettier this way. Next, I'm going to fill the box with some Excelsior. And then I'm going to remove the pumpkin off this pick, and I'm going to put the pumpkin in the corner. And then I'm going to bend the stem from the pick, and then I'm going to place it on the opposite side. And the second fall DIY is complete. Now this was so easy, right? For the last DIY, I'll be using this gift box, and I'm going to start by removing the ribbon off. Next, I'm going to fan out all my bouquets like I'm doing right there. I've added some Excelsior inside the box, that way it serves as a filler. And then lastly, I'll be adding all the bouquets, and now this gift box is now turned into a vase. And now the third fall DIY is complete. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day. And remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.